Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one presentation slide in Java, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this project. Also in this video, also like enjoying all the previous videos of Java which I have uploaded yet, and I hope you are also enjoying my series of intermediate projects of Java which I have also uploading, because that is also really helpful for beginners. You can also check my previous courses on my channel. I've uploaded Python tutorials, then I've also uploaded many other tutorials like HTML, CSS, React JS, JavaScript. I've also uploaded of like, you can say, Python, because that are also really helpful for a beginner if they want to become full stack developer of that languages, and that is also really helpful for them to become and land for a job in future. So just that all videos also, will be also really helpful for you, and if this video is helpful for you and you are learning more than enough thing from that, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, and after it, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn what is Java, and by watching the beginner and intermediate courses, they will be clear all the doubts related to Java, and then they can move and make advanced projects which we will be making in future. So that will be really helpful for them. You can make my React clones and React website also, because that are also really helpful for beginners, and I've added all the things start to end. I'll be also uploading the tutorial of Java in future, in which I'll be telling all the things start to end, and it will be really helpful for beginner if they want to become full stack developer of this languages. They can also check my previous courses of Java script tutorial I have uploaded, then React.js tutorial I have uploaded. I have also uploaded Python Django tutorial for like 2 hours, and in that I have uploaded beginners tutorial, intermediate tutorial, and advanced tutorial, which is really helpful for them, and I hope they can learn more than anything from that. And if you are learning that, so like that videos also in this video also, because that gives really motivation to me. And if you subscribe to my channel, so it gives too much motivation, like I will be making this video in future and coming up with new latest project for you, which should be really helpful for you. So just we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building our project of like untitled, you can see presentation of slide, presentation slide we'll be making in Java. But before starting the project, I want to show you how our project is looking and how we'll be just building that. So it is our, you can see that presentation slide, you can see, which we'll be just making today, project in Java. Here in this presentation slide, we are just getting all the menus of, like, you can say, file, edit, view, insert, format, slide, arrange, tools, add ones. Then we are just getting the menu of help also, and we will be also getting some of the other things, like we are just getting this undo and redo section, and then we are getting the just print here, and then zoom in, zoom out. Here you will be also change, you can change your cursor color, and then you can also see text box, images you can insert here. You can also insert shape here, then the lines, and you can also insert background, layout, theme, transition. What do you want to do, you can do that, and you can write anything here which should be just having any color. You can see how cool looking is that. So you can change your themes from here. You can see there are many other themes here in your presentation, so you can import themes from your like any other website, or if you have installed or make that, you can also upload or import that theme there. And you can also add new pages here by pressing new and then presentation. You can also like do, and you can do like document, spreadsheet, form, drawing. You can also add these all section if you want to do that, but my opinion is not to do, because here we are making presentation, so just add presentation things here. You can also make presentation here or in PowerPoint also, which is a software provided by Microsoft, and it is also really helpful. So this project will be just making today. You can see how cool looking is that. So we'll be just making this project, which should be really helpful for you. So we'll be starting with our project. So start, when you will start with that, just you have to open your VS Code, in which we'll be writing all the codes of that. So simply I'll be going to my VS Code here and just opening my Visual Studio Code. You can see it has opened. You can install that from Google by writing VS Code. The first link will be appearing of installation. Here I'll be just deleting all the files, and I'm working with the same file like previously I worked with. Here I will be just writing this tag here, in which I will be changing that to a tag which will be like div here. So right here div class name, then here I'll be writing front. You have to close this tag here, then you have to move down here, you have to write that to like node. Then I'll be writing filter equals to, change that to a tag which should be like editor. So right here like that, close this tag here, I'll be writing node dot filter dot editor. Close here. Now then when you done with that all things, here I will be moving down. Here I will be writing a tag which should be like console form. Then here I'll be writing each. Then you have to do one thing, like right here console dot form. Here I'll be writing soul.form.each. Here I will be closing this tag now. Then I will be just moving down, and here I will be just writing a tag which will be just like here crypto. So here I'll be writing crypto key equals to, then I will be changing that to a tag which will be like here website. So write like that. Then I'll be just writing that to a tag which will be like crypto dot key dot website. So when you written that all things, just I'll be saving this file from here. You can also press Ctrl S to save there, and then I will be just moving down. Here I will be writing that to like original. Then I'll be writing isolated. So just write here isolated. Then when you done with that, here I will be just changing that to like explorer. Here I'll be closing this, and then I'll be writing original dot isolated dot explorer. Here you have to close this tag now. Then when you're done with that, here I'll be just moving down. Here I'll be writing a tag which will be like element error equals to, and then I will be changing that to a tag which will be like effect. Here you have to close this, and then I'll be writing element, and here I will be just closing this tag, and then you have to change that to here right here element dot error dot effect. Here we have done that, so here I'll be closing this, saving this file from here. When you've done with that all things, here I'll be just moving down, and then I'll be writing a tag which will be like here decode. So right here decode component equals to compound. So right here, then I will be just making a tag which will be like decode dot component. Here I'll be writing component dot compound. Okay, so just right here dot compound. So when you've written that all things, here I will be now writing and closing this tag here. When you've done that, here I'll be just moving down, and here I will be just writing a tag which will be just like that. And here I will be changing that to like URI, and then here I will be writing the code equals to define. Close this here. Here I will be writing that to like URI dot decode. So here I'll be writing URI dot, again you have to write, so just now move here and now write dot decode dot define. Here when you've done that, close this tag now, save this file from here, and when you've done with that, just you have to copy this thing which you have just written by pressing Ctrl C, move down and paste this, and here also same thing. So when you've done with that all things, save this file now. And now if I show you in the Google Chrome, our project should be just ready which we want to make. So open your Google Chrome, you can see there it is, our presentation here which we want to make here, presentation slide which we have made in Java successfully. You can see all the things are perfect like that. Like we want to get this section here, we are just getting at the center. Then we are also getting this untitled presentation written here. You can also change its name here if you want to save with any other name, you can do that. You can add many of the presentation with spreadsheet, like spreadsheet means like Excel spreadsheet or any other spreadsheet. Then we are just getting this edit button, view, insert, format, slide, arrange, tools. You can just get many other things from these all things. You can arrange it, guides also. You can click and write anything here. You can see I'm writing anything, you can write also. You can also add subtitle here if you want to add, and automatically this click to add title will be just removed, and it can be just fit with any other text here. If I write my name, you can see it will be fixed with that. You can see here it is. Then if I add here my short name, and it is fixed with that. You can change into other themes also. You can see there are many other themes. If I press, you can see theme is now changing here also. Then there it is also, the themes you can change here again and again. Here it's your choice. You can import the themes from your own, like if you have made any of the theme, or if you want to just import any other new latest theme, you can import that by installing from Google, or if you have already made that in Illustrator or any other software, you can import from there also. And here we will be also getting the print section, like you can also automatically print from here if you want to do. You can share this also, and then you can present it also and start with presentation showing by pressing this button. And you can also press Ctrl F5, which is a shortcut key of that when you create. So just like that, you can build your own presentation slide in Java. I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this video like enjoying my all the previous video. If you enjoy that, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After it, also share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn this programming languages and become full stack developer in future. So just I'll be meeting in next project. So for today, goodbye.